This video now how to format or flash this Tecno phone, Tecno 528. So I go show you now how you go take flash am with your computer. Very simple. Okay. So if you turn on this phone now, you go see say e dey for lock. Wait make e boot finish me see am. See say e dey for lock. You see as e dey for lock. Even though you try your normal code 004 in 4 places, press your OK. You see say e dey lock. So make we no waste our time too much. So I'm going to off the phone now. I don't off the phone, you can see right. So now make we go to our PC now, our computer now. Now I show you how you go take do am. Okay, now don't go our computer. So you see this app Flashtool, where you see the logo, there will be like a red arrow. You click on. If you click and finish, you go wait make it load. You see say download bar. You see how the window be. Now you go come go up for that option for up there. You click and you go see this interface where you go come. You go come down to USB. That USB option, that number 3. You click on. You go click on. After you click on, then you will still come go back to the option again to check. You will click that option. You will see say USB done deactivated. You don't see am, but so you can't click anywhere to come out this window from the screen. After you come out, then you go come go to format. Click on format now. If you click on format, you see this window will come up. As you see the window, so you go come click the first option, which is reset to factory default. So after you click that one, then you come click this thing. Make sure say this validation is on. This button for down validation. Then you come click. After you select and then you come click OK. Now after you click OK, then we come go to our phone. You carry your phone, comot the battery. After you comot the battery, then you come carry a USB where you want use flash am. Make sure say you chook the USB for the computer. Then the other end where you go chook for the phone, you carry am. You see as I dey do am ba. So you put am for the charging point. Then you no enter. So now we are going to we go put am now. So want to go. You put the USB and then the battery at the same time. You no go waste time. Now you go format. You see am, you don't format. Bokom, everything don't finish. You see as you don't do ba. You don't format like it be like this. You don't format. So make I close this window where come up like this. Now close am. So now we'll come out our cord now. Come out our cord, then we'll come out the battery. Make sure say no on and direct. Come out the battery first. Come out and then chook am back. After you chook am back, then before you come on the phone. On the phone will come up like this. You see am? You will see the phone don't flash. You see am now. You see the code no dey again. You will press your OK so that you go fit configure your phone. Select your language and then you press OK. You see? Done. Select your state. So what clock? So you can see. See say the phone don't flash. Everywhere don't dey open. Don't yakpa for you. So if you operate your phone now, make you enjoy now again. So now the salama for you for watching this video. I beg make you like this video, share this video, comment and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And again, more Obonga videos they come your way next time. Bye bye for now.